Best Buy is on a journey to continue to figure out how do we make a difference in people's lives.
We're building for not only today's experience or operations, but we're also laying the foundation for the future growth of our company.
Best Buy is a very large company when you think about it from a consumer electronics or a retail perspective. We've got over 900 retail locations and then 47 consolidated fulfillment locations.
Large product delivery and installation is core to Best Buy's offering. Without the ability for delivery and installation to go well, selling some of our products is a challenge.
Previously, we operated with a multitude of systems, and our services businesses are super complex. In doing that, though, you never created a seamless experience for a customer. So if they were to purchase two different products, they had two different experiences. What we needed to figure out is how do we get that one solution that allows us to deliver the same experience to meet the expected outcomes for the customer.
We don't replace these large legacy platforms often. When we do, we have to hit it right.
That's where Bringg came into play. Bringg brought forth some really cool things. So think about customer delivery tracking. Now that I can see where I'm at on the day of from a stop standpoint, and as you get closer to my home, I can follow that truck, know when it's pulling up to my area. That gives me predictability as a customer.
Our live delivery tracking experience has become an industry differentiator for us, allowing us to take a 4-hour arrival window that we used to promise and get down into an actual arrival time. They know exactly when they're supposed to arrive, and it's something that our customers really love.
Ever since using Bringg, it's been a lot easier just to navigate through orders, to keep track of our teams, pull up order information to assist with customers and with our team as well. With the driver app, our team use that information to see the customer order information, and also they're able to see any kind of pictures from previous stops with that same customer. So it makes it a lot more efficient.
Bringg, honestly, it's much better for us. The best thing is that never stop. We don't have to log out and log back in again. Drive it through all day, so that's better, and I love it.
Bringg has come along the entire journey with Best Buy.
We started with a small proof of concept in a single market. Afterwards, we analyzed the results, found positive momentum, and then created a plan to go national.
We're testing to learn together. We're making modifications that support uniqueness within geography. And collectively, we're creating an experience that's going to help both of our companies and our customers.
Data for us is one of the most important foundation to all of our decision making at Best Buy. There's a wealth of data that comes back in geolocation capabilities, understanding where our drivers are on the road, where they are in their routes. The timeliness of on-time, early or late arrivals has allowed us to really understand what's going on with our business.
Bringg has helped us build on this relationship between a technology solution and a retailer and a service provider to bring great experiences for employees, for customers. That's a win for Best Buy.
We have amazing 5-star scores. Our customers are happy with our experience. We continue to innovate, and we're going to see our delivery experience further integrate into our app experiences, our online experience, so that customers have a clear understanding of what to expect when Best Buy shows up to deliver or install their product.